In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monday.com hierarchy. By the end, you'll understand how workspaces, folders, and boards fit together so you can keep everything organized and easy to find. Start on your Monday.com home. From the left sidebar, open Workspaces. Think of a workspace as a top-level container for a department, client, or program. It keeps related projects in one place and helps control access and focus. Create a new workspace by selecting Add Workspace. Give it a clear descriptive name so teammates instantly know what lives there. You can always fine-tune icons and descriptions later, but a good name now saves confusion down the road. Inside your new workspace, look for the plus sign. This is where you add items to the workspace. Choose Folder. Folders are your mid-level layer, perfect for grouping boards under a single project or work stream. For example, if your workspace is a client, each folder could be one of their projects. Type in the folder name. Keep your naming conventions consistent across folders, using a standard format like project and area. Makes search and filtering much easier as your account grows. To create your first board inside that folder, make sure you're creating in the folder context. Hover over Create in Folder so your new item lands in the right place, then choose Board. Boards are where the day-to-day work happens. Tasks, owners, dates, and statuses all live here. Enter a descriptive board name. Next, choose the privacy level that fits your needs. Main is visible to everyone in the account. Private is for invited members only, and shareable is designed for collaborating with external guests. Pick the one that matches how you plan to collaborate. You'll be prompted to select what you're managing in this board. This helps tailor the structure, columns, and suggested setup to your use case, so choose the option that best reflects your work. Click Create Board. You'll land on your new board. Make your initial edits here. Rename groups to define phases or sprints. Add or remove columns such as status, people, date, or numbers, and set default values to speed up intake. You can also add a board view to visualize the same data in different ways. Try a Kanban, calendar, or Gantt view depending on your planning style. When you're ready to expand, click the plus sign again in the workspace and create another folder for your second project. This gives you a clean, scalable hierarchy. Workspaces at the top, folders for each project, and boards for execution inside each folder.